Gosh, it has been forever since I have videoed myself and recorded myself and uploaded videos. Well, duh. And it just feels really good to be back on camera and do this again. I have been MIA for months, but we will get back into that later. And surprise, I'm pregnant again. You can't really see my belly. But my husband and I are expecting baby number 2, and he will be here in a couple months. Probably why I look so fat in my face. But yeah, it's really exciting, but I will do all that separately. But today I wanted to do a video on the Revlon one-step hair dryer. So it looks like that. I saw so many reviews on this and I was like, you know what, I really want to buy this and I want to try it and I want to do a video. I'm really excited because I am horrible when it comes to multitasking and blow drying my hair and using the round brush. So I just like take 3 extra steps and I blow dry my hair and then I'll straighten my hair, or I'll blow dry my hair and then I'll curl my hair. And that will take like an hour or to an hour and a half. So hopefully this will cut down that time and this will just dry it and style it at the same time. The product looks like this, and it's a big, it's like huge. It's a big blow dryer. So it just kind of looks like that. I tested it a little bit, but I didn't really do anything. I just turned it on and played with it, but I never actually styled my hair with it. I also cut my hair since I last videoed and filmed. My hair used to be like super long. It was down here, and I chopped off about 5.5 inches. It feels so much better. And it's very lightweight, and especially like I already have a son and I don't have time to like mess with my hair. Okay, well, I'm just gonna turn it on low and then I'm gonna dry my hair and I will let you know what I think. Okay, so that piece is already dry. It looks really pretty. And normally when I style my hair after I dry it, I kind of just do something wavy like this anyways. I think if you want it straight, you can just push it down, but I'm purposely like curving it in order to get this look. So if you want something different, I would recommend just like the way you angle it. But I'm purposely going for this look. So I'm gonna continue doing this. I'm just kind of going and like winging it. I don't know if there's a proper technique because I haven't tried it before, so. Okay, so that's the whole right side. The back piece took a little bit longer just because it was kind of hard to get my roots, and where the other side of my hair is like real damp. So you can just kind of tell the difference, and it just looks really, really nice. Looks really neat. And this is, like I said, normally what I would do anyways if I was blow drying my hair and then styling it. So I think it looks really, really good. And it has like a little curl to it. Go on this side and do the same thing. this side dried a whole lot quicker than this side. This one I didn't really know how to really get it to curl, but it's just so much harder to reach the back just because of the way it's positioned. But so far, I am highly impressed. Highly, highly impressed. So now I'm gonna go and do the top. Okay, I'm sweating. It is so hot in this bathroom, and the lights in this bathroom are really, really bright. But I'm like even more impressed because look at that. Look how cute that looks. It looks like I just had a blowout over at a salon. And this is like, even though it's taking a little bit long to dry, it's styling it so it's even quicker to just get out of the house. Okay, I'm gonna do this side now. And I'm also using the low. There's a high on here, but I feel like the high is a little bit too aggressive for me. And I'm a little scared, to be honest. So I'm going with the low. Looking really cute. I'm really liking it. I am just like so sweaty though. All right, moving on, other side. Almost done. So far, so good. I just need to dry this side and we are done. This is what it looks like. Final look. I'm really liking it. I liked it from the beginning, and I even like it now. And it was so much easier than having to blow dry and style. And like you can just see, it actually shows how pretty my layers look. And I don't know, I just really, really like that. That is so pretty. I'm gonna tell you, this thing gets so freaking hot, so you gotta be careful. But I really like it. See how pretty that is? I'm like ready to go. That was easy. That was not that bad. The back still feels a little damp just because it's hard to get at the roots, but really like it. Well, that is the final look. I am highly impressed. If you're thinking about purchasing this, I highly recommend, because I mean, look how easy that was. And you don't even have to curl it the way I curled it. I just purposely like to add some volume, because if not, I look very like old if I don't put some kind of volume in my hair. And just look at that, that is so pretty. I'm highly impressed. Thumbs up. It's worth the time it takes. Well, anyways, thanks guys for watching, and I will put up some more videos this week. I'm so excited, and I'm happy to be back in front of the camera again. And okay, well,